30x squared positive bx positive 33. A factor of the expression above is px positive q, where p and q are positive integers. What is the value of b? Okay, now we can consider the given quadratic expression as an equation by equating this expression to 0. That is 30x squared positive bx or positive 33 equals to 0. Here we have a quadratic equation. Since this px positive q is a factor of this expression, the value we get for x by equating this factor to 0 must be one of the solutions of this quadratic equation. Okay, now let's equate this factor to 0 and solve for x. That is px positive q equals to 0. Let me subtract q from both sides of this equation. This positive q, negative q will cancel out. I'm getting px on the left side. On the right side, we have negative q. Let me divide both sides of this equation by p. On the left side, this p will cancel out. I'm getting x equals to negative q over p. So this is one of the solutions of this quadratic equation. Now we can use Desmos to solve the problem further. Let's take this equation in Desmos. When I take this equation in Desmos, my aim is to get the value of this constant b. In that case, I have to take x1 at the place of x and tilde sign at the place of equal sign. Okay, now let me take this equation in Desmos. That is 30 x1 squared. Let me take positive b times x1 positive 33. Then we have to take tilde sign 0. Instead of x, we have x1 in Desmos in the quadratic equation over here. So this is a value for x1 in the quadratic equation we have in Desmos. So now we can take this negative q over p as value for x1 in Desmos. Okay, let me do it. That is x1 equals to, open the square bracket, negative q over p. Now close the square bracket. Here I got the value of b in Desmos. That is b equals to 63.